Hey, in this quick video, I want to show you a cool little trick in Maya how to quickly identify UV shells that are overlapping. So I pulled up this character that I designed a couple years ago for the Unity Asset Store, and he's a really great example to show you what I mean. So for example, if I click on his armor and go to the UV editor, you can see that there's many different UV shells in this example. And if I click on this button right here, it's going to show me which elements are overlapping or reversed, right? So in this case, I can see that this red element here, the UV shell, is actually reversed. If I go into my UV toolkit under tools, I can flip it over, and as soon as I flip it over, you can see that it's now all the shells are facing the one direction and they're not flipped, but some of them are overlapping. So for example, this blue one here and right here, I can see that there's overlapping. But let's say it's a really busy UV sheet, and you just want to quickly identify the areas that are overlapping without looking through it with the magnifying glass or zooming in. So is there an easy way to do it? And there is. All you need to do is just go to select and go to overlapping, and as soon as you click on that, it's going to show you, Maya is going to select the areas that are overlapping and quickly allow you to fix them. So in this case, for example, if I just rotate my shell back to its original position and zoom out, I can scan it again. I can go to select and say overlapping, and this time there's no issues. So that's a cool little trick if you ever need it. And keep in mind as well, if you let me jump into the UVs for the alien head. If I go in this one, you can see that there are some elements that are pink and some that are blue and some that are red. So the blue one are showing you that they are not reversed, they're just they're unwrapped and facing a proper direction. And then the pink ones are showing you that there's the blue one and the red one together, so I can see that these two are overlapping. So if I, for example, press W, move it to the side, I can see that this red one is flipped, and that's how it's overlapping, right? Now the reason we obviously flip our UVs, right, like in this case, is so that we can select the similar ones and simply go to arrange and layout and do a stack similar, right? So as soon as I click on it, you can see that they're stacking over each other, and that is because one of them is actually flipped horizontally. So that's what is allowing us to stack them. So keep that in mind. It's a cool little trick, and I hope it will help you in your work. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.